This is January 7th, 2024. Yes, I was suckered into getting some solar panels. That's my sunroom. That's the tree that my neighbor planted to block my sunroom. As you can see, it's snowing pretty good. There's no sun to speak of. I just want to point out to everybody that all these Doomer cult members who keep saying that we need to go 100% solar. I built this house in 1985. I've lived with the idea of passive solar. Rammed earth walls, 90 tons of dirt, that's all thermal mass. This here is, the Doomer cult wants to ban wood stoves too. It's a superior form of heat. It's much better than my gas, natural gas forced air. I also want to point out that I do use an electric range. This was my choice. When I built my house, there was no natural gas up here. Could have used propane, but I chose electric. The Doomer cult wants everybody to go electric with solar panels on the roof and no natural gas and no wood stoves and rely totally on the sun. Isn't that brilliant?